Good morning to all of you. My name is Rafael Vergara, UDT Academy founder and AIM Global top earner. I would like to invite all of you to our big event, OPP, Opportunity Plan Presentation and Recognition in June 29, 2025, 12 a.m. located at Lubumbashi Town. Our performer will be Diondoni Manirikisa, top 5 of Dominican Republic of Congo, and top 1 of Kenya, Moises Adika. See you there, and God bless to all of you. More power.